Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning the inside of my car. I am a mom of 3, so my car gets very neglected. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hope you enjoy the video.
Don't get me started about the way.
I had just picked up my Chinese food and I was pulling out and a car comes flying through the stop sign. And I slammed my brakes on and my food went everywhere. So it got all over my car and made a total mess. So I was like, what's the better time to clean out my car than now? And I just bought this donut, just to let you guys know. I'm not giving him an old, dry, crusty donut.
Lows into my high. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends.
The first thing I do is I throw everything in a bin. When going through the bin, I put everything in their proper place or I trash it.
Goodbye. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight.
I always keep books in my car so then my children always have something to read. And then they can never say that they're bored.
Let's kiss under the starlight. Don't get me started. I just can't help it when I see your face. Feel you trace under the stars. We'll leave this party. Yeah, sneak around the back and drive away to my place or somewhere far. Yeah, you make me wanna try. Yeah, you turn my lows into my high. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Let's take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the starlight. Meet me after midnight at your house without your friends. Tell me we'll be alright. We got no doubts into the weekend. Don't wanna waste time. Let's take it by. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss into the starlight. Meet me after midnight. Let's kiss under the starlight.
Didn't know what to say, I was taking the drink one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I wish that I knew what to say now. You're getting too close, too close. Well, I know we are about to clash, but don't you worry, cause we still got a chance. Baby, don't lose your faith. Don't lose your faith. And everything that I said, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. What you see now?
I haven't seen one of these pennies since I was a little kid. I was so excited to find it in the car. Hey guys, leave a comment down below. What's the coolest thing that you guys ever found in your car? Also, what's the messiest part of your car? Mine's always the cup holders because I put everything in it. I'll put French fries to hold them up so I can eat while driving. I put my keys in there. Obviously drinks that spill everywhere. We go to the beach a lot, so there's sand everywhere.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said I won't leave your side. They left you bare, but I'm begging you, staring my eyes for you. Yeah, I give my life. And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time.
Guys, OMG. Do you know how long I was looking for that credit card for? I even canceled it. It was stuck at the top of that. And I mean stuck. I even had to check up there again just to see if there was any more lost souls up there.
I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? I'm here to hear you say you're fine. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this thoughts off my mind. Does it own you, control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time.
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. You took me to the ocean, 2 a.m. The air was cool and golden in the end. I'll hold on to the sweatshirt that you left. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Hold me, darling. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling.
Wide awake, smiling still in my bed. Running scenes of last night through my head. I found myself in your home, said hello, put my name in your phone. Lost my friends. I first date walked to Pier 66. My lips, your lips, my heart beating right out my chest. When I held you, I had something that I knew I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Economy flew to deep Mexico. For a week, you and me all alone. Till forever I had something that I know I need so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Your love so bad. Your love so bad. Yeah, I need your love so bad. Get lit, should I take you home? But you said, oh babe, we got places to go.
I get these antibacterial wipes from Walmart. They're only $1. We like going to the beach, we like going to the park, we like going to the playground, and I want to keep my kids as clean as possible so we don't bring home any fun bugs that we don't have to bring home. Then I also keep boogie wipes and baby wipes just in case. I always keep hand sanitizer in my car because I work in the emergency department and I always sanitize my hands before I even get in the car. And now it's a habit that anytime anybody gets in the car, we always sanitize our hands. Now I'm just putting everybody's mask in front of their seats. Guys, leave a comment down below. What one thing do you have to have in your car? Mine is Carmex.
Wide open. So many mixed emotions.
Lastly, I do my scents. This is a Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast, same as this. And then I also put one of these in on the doors, so then it gives a lingering smell, especially when it's
I
hot.
spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stopped playing goalie on all of my thoughts. Yeah, speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. Oh, I see this love is taking.
Hope this gives you the motivation you need for the day. If anything else, like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video.